Hi guys, this is just going to be a quick video on finding the area between two z-scores that are both to the right of the mean. So I actually had a specific question sent to me. So today we're going to use the numbers z equals 0.43 and z equals 1.33. So this probably won't be to scale. We always know that our mean is a z of 0, so I went ahead and marked that off for us. But I'm going to be marking these in different colors. I'm going to say our z of 0.43 is right here. That might not be exactly right, but that'll be our guess. And then we'll put a z of 1.33 here. So the first thing that I'm going to do, because I'm a very visual person, is I'm just going to mark these areas off. Like that. And we have to try to remember what we're finding here. I'm going to go ahead and use white for a minute just to mark off that this right here is the area that we're looking to find. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the amount of area in this big section here, okay? And I know that that isn't going, you're going to have to do some subtraction here. But the first thing we're going to do is find this big chunk. So what I'm going to do, oops, I put z of 4.3. I'm sorry, I meant to put 0.43. Hopefully that doesn't mess you up. 0.43. Okay, so even though I said it's a big portion, it is still in the tail, just because it's the smaller portion of the graph as a total. So let's go over to our z table here and look in the tail for 0.43. I actually already have that marked off. And it's 0.3336. So in the red or orange is 0.3336. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this section. I'm going to find the tail there. Again, smaller portion of the graph, so we're going to look in the smaller portion on the z table. Okay, so that was for a different problem here. So 1.33 in the smaller portion is 0.0918. 0.0918. Okay, so in order to find this white area that we're looking for, we need to subtract the green from the orange, because that white portion is a portion of the orange area excluding the green. Hopefully that makes sense, but in order to find the white, we're just going to have to take the green away from the orange. So we are going to do 0.3336 minus 0.0918. I'm just going to grab my calculator here and do that. 0.3336 minus 0.0918 equals 0.2418. Remember, area equals percentage. So all we're going to do to find, oops, I kind of put that little dot in there prematurely, but what we're going to do to find the percent is just move our decimal over 2 places, and 24.18% is the percentage of area in this white area here between a z of 0.43 and a z of 1.33. I hope that helps. Thanks.